Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today our topic is oral communication. Oral communication means how you will pronounce the words. You will learn about their sounds. And these sounds are of two types. One is initial sound and other is final sound. Now first we will learn about initial sounds. Initial sounds are the starting sounds or the beginning sound of the letter of words. Now they have given you the examples of three words. This is rain, bug, little. Now first letter of each word is highlighted. R, rain. R, rain. So R is the initial sound. Now B, bug. B, bug. B is the initial sound. Now little. L is the initial sound. Now come to the activity. They have given you the picture of duck. So what is the initial sound of the duck? D is the initial sound of duck. So this is how you will recognize the sounds. Stretch, 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 swim, 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 swim. Bend, 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 squat, squat. Now here are some worksheets from which you will practice about the initial sounds. So all of you should practice it in the beginning sounds of the letter. Now we are learning about final sounds. So what are the final sounds? They are the last sound or the ending sound of words. Now look at the examples. There is glad. What is the first word? Glad. And the final sound is d. D. Okay, the final sound is d. Now the word black. What is the final sound? K is the final sound here. In the word chirp, the final sound is p. Now come to the examples. The example they have given you. Here it is sun. And they have given you three words. You will recognize the final sound, which is N. So you will match it with the N. Bat, wet, sit, put, hot, rug, dog, frog, pig, glad, sad, bed, lid, odd. Now there is a wonderful worksheet for you. Practice it. I hope you have learned about the oral communication sounds. These are final and initial sound. Thank you.